Hey guys, a long time no seeing. I know it's been crazy here. I know I haven't been filming, but I am back to bring you guys this really amazing, beautiful look that I'm just so obsessed with, and all using Glam products from SHEIN. I don't know if you guys have heard about their line, clothing line, yeah. I did come out with Glam, which is their makeup products right here. I used the palette today. I'm so obsessed with it. I also used their Pro Face palette. You guys will see how amazing these products work. And what I'm more shook about is the lip color, you guys. I've never done a metallic lip, and I cannot wait for you guys to see how I transform myself, because it's honestly, like, this lip is everything, and I think I'm gonna start to use more of this. And I'm also very impressed on how all these products are literally like $10 below. Like, there's like majority will be like $5, which is really amazing. The mascara right here is only $5. That is so shocking for me, because you guys already know that mascaras, especially drugstore mascaras, are getting like very expensive, but this is only $5. You guys can also use my code to get 15% off the whole entire SHEIN website, so you guys can save way more. And I will have all the products, all the name of the products, everything, and the link down below for you guys. But yeah, I also want to give a big thank you to SHEIN for sponsoring today's video. I'm very grateful, and I'm grateful for you guys, because if it wasn't for your guys' support, none of this would even be happening. So thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart. But if you guys want to see how I created this really pretty, I would say like an emerald eye look, and this metallic lip, which I'm living for, then yeah, just keep on watching. All right, so let's start off with my eyes. I want to do my eyes first, because you guys already know I love to start doing my eyeshadow first. I already did my brows also. I'm just going to now carve my brows. And now I am just going to be blending the concealer. So now I'm just gonna set my eyelids. I always set my eyelids before my eyeshadow. I just feel like the eyeshadows blend so much smoother. Alright, so now I'm going to be using the Stay Wild Glam all-in-one color palette. It's this one right here. It's so pretty. I love how the color is, and also like the details in the palette. But look at the inside, you guys. It's so beautiful. There's honestly, you can use this as a blush, eyeshadow. You have like a highlighter shade right there. You can even use this as a contour, and all of the above. But I am going to be doing a look with this. I probably do like a winter kind of look. I really wanted to do it. So what I'm gonna do is start with this shade right here, which is 107. It's this shade. You guys know I like to start off with a good transition color, and I feel like this is such a beautiful transition shade. So I'm just going to be blending this all over the crease. Notice how I am kind of dabbing, tapping. I like doing this first because I feel like the shade goes on way better, and then after I'm done, I just blend it all out. Alright, so now that we have that transition shade on, I'm gonna go ahead and take a different shade. I think I'm gonna go in with Whenever, which is this shade right here. Kind of want to do a dark outer crease, and I feel like this is such a beautiful shade to do that with. Oh, that's so pretty. It's kind of like a pukey brown. And like I said, it's just on the outer corner. So now that we have that on, I'm gonna do the crease, the eyelid shade. These eyeshadows are so beautiful. I'm just gonna swatch a couple so you guys can see what I'm trying to say, what I mean. So this color right here is kind of like it's called 100 Miles. It's like a very pretty green emerald shade. I'm obsessed. Let's see, I'm gonna take a little bit of 100 Miles and I'm going to be applying this shade on my eyelid. And you can definitely like carve your eyelid. I feel like that's probably like the best thing to do to get like that really bright, vibrant pigment. But I think I'm just going to stick to this, and I'm just going to be applying this all over the lid. Look at that. That looks really nice. You guys can go ahead and apply or do a wing eyeliner. I think I am going to be doing it because it was so long since I haven't done a winged eyeliner, and now that I'm like going back again, I'm loving it now. So I think I'm just gonna go in with a brown wing, yeah. So what I'm gonna do is try to make it with this brown shade in the palette, which is Gin. So for foundation, I'm going to be taking this Glam Complexion Pro Long Lasting Breathable Foundation, and I'm going to be taking almond and a little bit of golden. A little bit of almond and golden to get that perfect shade that I want. So I'm just going to mix these two. That looks like a great match for me. And this foundation does not have a scent at all, which I'm very impressed. Usually foundations do have tend to have a really strong scent. So now I'm just gonna do my concealer, dark circles, also the T-zone area where I have the most oiliest part, and then I'm gonna go in with a lighter shade and just kind of highlight certain spots that I want to highlight. cream contouring really quick. I'm just now going to be applying this blush cheek. This is in the shade Summer Tangerine. So I'm just going to be applying this on the apples of my cheeks. It also has a really nice like sheen to it. And to bake, I am using this Glam setting powder in the shade Cappuccino. And I feel like it's such a pretty shade for me. It's not super light. So I'm going to be using this Glam palette. This is the 3D Pro Face palette. So I'm going to be taking this shade right here. Alright, so I'm going to do my brows off camera and then I'll be right back to finish off the look. Alright guys, so I already did my lashes. I even put a little bit of that whenever shade on the bottom to smoke out the lash line. But now I'm going to take my mascara. This is the Glam All-in-One Mascara. And the crazy thing about this mascara is that it's only $5, you guys. And I think that's such an amazing deal, especially because it's a double-ended brush and it works so amazing. Alright guys, so I already lip lined my lips, and this lip color right here is gonna be so new to me. It is from Glam, but I really feel like I should change it up on my lips. I know, right? We have like two nudes here that I really wanted to try. Like, they are so beautiful. I feel like they did such a great job on the formula. I'm gonna swatch it for you guys. This color right here is like up my alley. This is the Glam natural liquid lipstick. I think they are liquid lipsticks. And then this one right here is more of a pinky tone, which is Naked. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that's Naked and that's natural. You guys already know that I'm like obsessed with like brown, taupey, you know, tones for lips. But you're gonna be so surprised on what lip color I'm gonna choose, which is Vintage. This shade right here, it's kind of like a metallic shade. I know, you guys, I've never tried this in my life, but I feel like it could be good. It could be a good, you know, start to something new. You never know. But I'm gonna try this on my lips today. And these are metallic, so I'm going to put a little bit on and then I'm just going to like mix it with my ring finger, kind of just, you know, mix those together and bam, like that shade is so pretty. Living for it. Definitely screams out vintage, right? But we are pretty much done. I'm gonna go ahead and like I'm gonna go ahead and spray some of this Fix Spray to melt everything together. That's pretty much it. I'm gonna go ahead and fix this hair because this ain't cute, and then I'll be right back. Alright guys, so that is pretty much it for this look. I really loved how this look turned out. It's super different, especially the lips, and I'm just super obsessed with the lips, honestly. The eyes too, the foundation, how it's wearing right now, it's insane. Like, I just want to like stare at my skin on how flawless it looks and how glowy my skin looks right now. I also wanted to thank SHEIN, or Glam for partnering up with me in this video. I really do appreciate it. Loved how it turned out, and if you guys did too, please don't forget to like the video and also subscribe if you haven't already. I will be commenting back to you guys, and yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys on my next video. Bye guys.